Hey everybody, this is Jaybird Drone and I got a package in the mail today. It is the DJI Air 3. I'm going to do this quick unboxing. So let's go ahead and get into it. And I just got it today from Amazon. So I'm kind of excited to get into the OcuSync 04. Go ahead and open this up. Okay. So when you first get this, I'll show you what it looks like. Open it up. This will be on the top here. This is going to have all your controller and cables in it. I'll open that up for you. This is just the standard controller. I will eventually get the RC2. That's the controller you get. Got some extra propellers, which is good. You get the cables for your phone since I'm using the standard controller. Then you get the owner's manual. And then right here you get the main Air 3. Go ahead and open this up. Show you what it looks like. Alright, so it's going to be a nice drone. There's the Air 3. Open this up. It's got a nice gimbal cover on it. I like how it covers the entire front, which is nice. It's pretty solid cover here. And it just slides off. It feels real premium. Air 3. So I will go ahead and charge this up and do the maiden flight. Stay tuned for that. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Hit the all notifications bell to be informed on the latest and greatest new drones. And also, um, stay tuned for more Air 3 videos. There's the battery there. Charge it up. Comes completely dead, so you gotta charge it. But I can tell you this drone feels pretty good. Got sensors all around it. So it's really nice. I like it. So stay tuned and thanks for watching. Fly safe.